All right, it is the Pattaya Fireworks Festival. And how exciting, it is packed, look at this. Really cool. It's gonna be going on for the next 2 days, tonight and tomorrow. So, it's really exciting. All right, the show starts at about 8 o'clock and it's about 7:30 now. The lights are still on, but you can see the beach. Pattaya Beach is just completely packed. I mean, there is a lot of people out here. I don't even know, like probably a football stadium amount of people, 20,000 people maybe. Look at this. It is bumping. Everybody's excited for the fireworks to start. And I am too. Lots of people out. Pattaya is alive. It's good to see. They got Beach Road closed down. Beach Road is basically turned into a walking street. Check this out. We got street vendors selling food. It's kind of like a street fair vibe going on. And yeah, let's keep walking and see what's going on. I'm heading towards Central Festival Mall. The stage, the main stage and the barge is out in Pattaya Bay, just a little past Central Festival Mall. So I'm gonna try to get down there and see what's going on. Look at this guy selling all types of cool stuff here. Yeah, lots of cool stuff for sale here. Look at all this stuff. Might buy something a little later and walk around a bit, see what's here. But it's just fun to be out and about and everybody's having a good time. And look at this, they got baby octopuses for sale. Look at this. Never seen that before. Really cool. I kind of want to buy one and try it, but I'm just going to keep moving. Lots of booths here. Lots of entertainment. Got people selling kebabs, popcorn. We got corn on the cob over here. And just all types of stuff. Alright, I'm on Beach Road in front of Central Festival. And it is packed. And we got a band playing over here. They're playing some Nirvana. Rest in peace, Kurt Cobain. All right, pretty cool. I'm just gonna keep moving. Lots of people watching. I just love walking around and looking at people, and Pattaya is one of those places where it's like international city, where it's just like everybody's here. Australians, Europeans, you know, Americans, Africans, it's everybody's here. But right now it's mainly domestic tourism. It's mainly Thais coming from Bangkok to enjoy all this. And if you just look around the crowd, it's all Thai people, which is great. I'm loving it. Looks like we got some artwork over here. And then we got this guy. Oh my God, look at this guy. This guy. Some skulls. Really cool. And we got all types of carnival games. This guy's got I don't know exactly how you play this, but he's got bottles stacked up. People selling stuff. Let me get back out on the beach road here. Right in front of the police station. Soi 9 police station. You never want to go there. I've been there a couple times, mainly for traffic tickets, but nothing major. And yeah, it is just shoulder to shoulder. I mean, look at this. A lot of people out here. This lease on the beach, they got raided by the police about a week ago. They were selling alcohol and kind of opened up as a bar. And yeah, they promptly got shut down and had to pay a big fine. But I think everything's okay. They're back open and looking good. But yeah, this is the third firework festival I've been to. The first one was 2018. I was at the 2019 one, and 2020 was canceled, obviously. But here we are at 2021, and it's looking good. Looking very good. It almost seems bigger than it's ever been before. Like it's been I don't remember it being this big. Like there's a lot of people here. So good for Pattaya. Okay, we're getting close to the main stage. And let's see what's going on up there. All right. Here's the main stage. It's really loud here, but you can kind of see production values really high. It feels really good to like be out and about doing something. Like this is fun. I think everybody needed this. Glad to see like the local economy is starting to pick back up. And I heard on the news today that hotel occupancy was at 80% this weekend. So a lot of people came in. And just walking around the city the last couple days, there's been a lot of people here, a lot of traffic. Noticeable. I mean, just it's been very quiet the last 9 months, and now it's just like, oh my God, the city's alive again. Oh, look at this. Wow. She's making something over here. Just everywhere you look, something's going on. The Pattaya Firework Festival is a 2-day event. It's Friday and Saturday, so it's 2 nights of just fireworks. And they do it in 10-minute shows. So they'll do the fireworks for about 10 minutes straight. It's a lot of fireworks. It's all to music. They have it choreographed, or I guess synced to music. And it's really neat. And they do that. There's maybe 5 or 6 sets of 10 minutes each. So it's just, you know, they take a break in between sets for about 10-15 minutes. And then they'll do another set with new music, new fireworks. And it's really well done. I mean, I've never been to a fireworks show like this before. All right, check it out. We're on Pattaya Beach here. It's day 2 of the Pattaya Firework Festival. About Saturday at noon. And yeah, look at this. Lots of kites. We got a little kite expo here. It's a pretty decent breeze right now, so great day for flying kites. But yeah, look at all these. Look at that whale. That is just amazing. And yeah, let me come to the left here and give you a better view of, geez, there's probably 100 kites here. Really cool. So yeah, there's gonna be another firework festival tonight where they're gonna launch off fireworks for an hour or two. And look at that little spider kites. There's a second whale. Got a shark there. So yeah, it's happy to see that Pattaya is kind of reopening somewhat, even though the nightlife is closed. Like, this is really cool to see this. People are out just having fun, and yeah, look at this. All those flags. I don't know what this is. Looks like a bunch of little beetles or ladybugs. And just continuing to walk here. Quite a lot of activity here. Look at this. Yeah, let's keep moving. I'm kind of down by the Royal Garden Plaza right now, and there's the Pattaya sign off there in the distance. You got people digging a hole here. Wow, just more kites and more kites. Beautiful day today. It's probably like 85 degrees right now. Nice breeze. Feels really good. But yeah, check this out. More kites. Looks like we got some manta rays, stingrays, aliens. I don't know exactly what these are, but they're really cool looking. So yeah, let me just pan around one more time, see it from this side. And some of those are pretty high too. Awesome, what a great day for this. So, okay, see what else we can find and get into. I made it to Soi 6, and they are still blasting fireworks off. Man, they spent a lot of money on these fireworks because it's been like non-stop for an hour. Pretty awesome. And it is just packed. The whole place is just completely packed. Shoulder to shoulder, the beach is completely full. So many people here, and then it's ironic that Soi 6 is closed. Like, none of the bars are open, nothing's going on. Look, it's kind of lit up, but it's all closed. There's nothing going on down there, but you turn around this way and it's a big party. So we are hoping that all the nightlife and bars will be opening up soon, and we can enjoy the awesome Soy 6 party and walking street. And yeah, let's get this back to normal and people are ready to have fun. Hey guys, I made it back to my condo and they are still shooting off fireworks. It's crazy. It just goes forever. But what an amazing festival. Really cool. And I'm gonna end the video here. I appreciate you watching. And I'll end it with a complete set, a 10-minute set of the actual fireworks. And they do great syncing with music and hopefully it'll turn out well. Hey, thanks again guys. Have a good one.
ใช่แล้วครับสะใจมากเห็นไหมครับ
สะใจ
บอกแล้ว
เลย
เอ้ยเดี๋ยวต้อง